welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing unboxing. This unboxing is from DPClubs. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DPClubs. So move the stuff to the side. And first thing is a tray, because you can never have enough trays, right? So this is a purple tray here. It does look like the hole for the funnel is on the side here. And for comparison, here's the green boat. Here's the standard white boat. Here's a MOSFET tray. So it's a little bit bigger. And I don't know about this funnel on the side, so we'll try it. So, some drills here from a diamond painting that's been kitted up for ages. I'm telling you, ages. So, let's... Oops. Because... So, okay. So there is no covering on the side there, so you have to be careful shaking it, but you could always put your finger there while you're shaking it, and there you go. I see there. And let's see how easy it is to pour. So I'm a little impatient, so if things start flying out, it's because of that. And I think half of the reason I have drills in my trash jar here is that I see drills all over the... So they're not necessarily bad drills, it's just I don't know how to put things away properly. So I think it works. Kind of like it. Let's see. Yeah, the only thing is, yep, there is no stopper here. But like I said, you could shake it like that. And so this tray here is 99 cents. And it's about 3 inches by a little bit less than 5 inches, or 7.5 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Okay, next thing here. This is $6.79. It's supposed to be some letter stickers. I don't know. Is it a sticker? Am I gonna have to cut it out myself? So, ordinary toolkit here. And looks like these are mainly rhinestones, but with some white and black regular drills. And the whole thing is sticky, but it does seem like it could be a sticker. Let's, if I can. Yep, it is a sticker. Does not look like it's cut out though, so you'll have to cut it out yourself, which... Well, I'm planning to just give this away during Halloween, so... I'll cut it up roughly, and the kids could cut it out themselves for fun. But it's these monster stickers that are the alphabet. There's no Z. No, is there a Z? No, there's a Z. Because I was like, where's the Z? There it is. So let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, OPQRSTUVWXYZ. So not completely in order, but they're all there. That's why I was like, wait, are they all in order? Are they all here? So they're like monster sticker, like monsters. So like A, and then look, that one kind of looks like a snail here. And it looks like all the symbols are letters or numbers. And this is $6.79, and each letter, let's do one of the round ones. So I think this is Q. So this is 2 inches by a little bit less than 3 inches, or about 5.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters. I'm starting to put the inches in since someone requested that I measure in inches also. So some pink here, green, orange. These look like regular white and black drills. And then some orange, blue. This one's a really pretty color here, and yellow and pink here. This one actually might take a while. Might take a while to do, since there's a good amount of, it's actually a pretty big canvas here, and there's going to be a lot of drills, so yeah. I'm going to be busy a little bit to finish this. Alright. Next thing. I was like so excited to do the next thing I didn't even move the other one. So this one is a round diamond painting. 30 by 30. It's $5.39. Looks like ordinary toolkit. These are round drills, and it looks like they're in baggies here. So here is the scheme here. And here it is. It says 1453 and it says 1435. So I really hope that is just a transcription error and not that I got the drills for 1453. Well, let's see. Number 20 is a red, so it does look like it should be a red. So I think that should work. And it's this bird here. Looks pretty decent here. So it's about a 24.5 by 25, or about a little bit less than 10 inches. And there is 23 colors here. All the symbols are letters and drill field. Looks okay. The S and the B look a little bit different. The B and D look different enough. I don't see an O. So the K and N might drive you a little crazy, but they look different. But yeah, I think that looks pretty nice here. And here's the drills again. And did I say this is $5.39? If I didn't, well, I just said it now. And the last one. This one is a Christmas one. So ordinary toolkit, except there's a couple baggies. These are special drills, and it's a Christmas tree. And you're supposed to be able to do something like that and put it onto here, onto the stand, which I don't want to plunk it in there in case I can't take it out. So it should be like that. And then the Christmas tree should be this three-dimensional things. I like it. It's different than other diamond paintings. We'll see how easy it is to put this together once there's drills on it, but it does look like all the symbols are numbers here. And this is $21.79 on the website. There is like a couple different versions of the Christmas tree, and this is the one that I ended up getting. It's about 12 centimeters by 20 centimeters, or like 7 3/4 inches by 5 inches. And let's see. Oh, there's these really pretty big yellow drills here. They must be ornaments of some sort. So some clear here, red, pink, yellows, greens, lots of greens. These are actually the same color. Blue, orange, another green, and then these must be the other ornaments. Some red, some clear with some like star bursting there, and some blue here. So I think the two partials that, I was like, I'm going to finish for the end of the video might actually take me a while, because this is pretty much full drill. Oops, and they're double-sided, and there's 2 of them. And the monster stickers are actually pretty full drill also here. So here is everything I got. The birds here. Let me move you up. The birds. The tree here. Oh, and the tray. All right, I'm going to do the small projects. Well, I don't think I have time. It's really nice though, but this is not too Christmassy. I could do this outside of Christmas. I'm gonna do the small projects, and I'll see you later. All right, I'm back, and I finished the little monster letters here. I did end up cutting it into pieces for easier diamond painting purposes, mainly because there was a lot of excess. So every single portion, well, I sealed this already, every single portion had glue. So just imagine like all of this empty spots being sticky. So I did cut them into more manageable sections so that I didn't, it was just a lot of sticky. And so, I just went and cut them into sections. Each sticker is about 6 by 7 centimeters. There was 11 colors, 2 were regular round drills, 9 were crystal rhinestones. I thought the rendering was fine. The symbols were fine. The stick, that was my main thing. There was a lot of excess. These are plastic stickers, and they are not cut out. That's another thing I was not too happy about. The drills were normal, and this took me 4 hours and 5 minutes to complete over 2 days. And I think they actually look really, really nice. And I think since I'm planning to give this away during next Halloween, which is like so far away, but I need the whole year to have enough stuff, right? I actually ran out of stuff this year, but I think kids would really like this. When I was a kid, I liked putting my initials on everything, and these are like such cute like initials. Look, I figure close up. Here's the ABC here. These little monster ones, but they're not cut out. They expect you to cut these out yourself. FYI, I'm not planning to cut them out, so the kids could have their fun cutting them out, or their parents could cut them out. But no, I think this would be an awesome sticker set if it was cut out. Like, I think that would just elevate this a lot. So like I said, I think it would be awesome if they were cut out, but this is what I ended up getting. But they actually look pretty decent. Like, you could tell what the letters are. And they're little monsters. Look at the J. K. The K looks really cool too. LP. LMNOP. The N looks like a snail to me. And RST. The Z ended up being over here, I think, just for space because the W took up so much space. And UV here. And W, X, and Y. Although the X maybe might be that direction. Or I don't know, there's feet on both sides. It could go both ways. But yeah, no, I think these are actually really nice. What would just elevate them is just them being cut out. All right, so there's that. Move this side here. And I also did the tree here. This is about 12.5 by 18 times 2 because it's double-sided. There was 13 colors, 9 crystal rhinestones, and 4 specials. I think everything was fine. I didn't write really anything. This took me 3 hours and 3 minutes to complete. And here it is. There and there. So they do look a little bit different because they're different parts, but yeah, I think it turned out really nice. You could tell it's a Christmas tree. You don't have all the detail in there, but it's blingy. I like it. I like the bling. Like you could tell that those were presents, and you could tell like the nice little ornaments here. And let's try putting it together. It shouldn't be that hard. And figure, just put. I did seal this already. I used a spray sealer and I sealed it in the bathroom. You do have, if you're with these ones with the multiple sides, I do recommend that you seal one side, let it sit for like 24 hours before you seal the other side. At least for me, because when you flip it around, sometimes if it's not completely sealed, it'll stick to the thing that you flipped it around on. So there is that. And this is probably the part where it's not going to fit. Maybe if I turn it this way, in case one side is... Would it have been easier for me to do one first? Okay, there's one first. And we'll do the second one. All right, I got it in. So there you go. It's a... So then it looks like this now. Now instead of the 2 flat sides, it kind of looks like that. There. I kind of like it. So how would you put it on the desk? Like that? Or would you like... Yeah. There you go. So here is everything I finished for this video. Here. The monster stickers and the Christmas tree here. So thank you very much to DPClubs for sending these items for review and the other items I had in the beginning of the video. And thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!